Welcome to this video about the benefits management process. After watching this video, you will be able to define the purpose of the benefits management process, summarize the 5-step benefits management process. The Program Management Institute, PMI, recognizes benefits realization as one of 8 program management principles and a critical program management performance domain. The benefits realization domain defines, creates, optimizes, delivers, and sustains the benefits provided by a program. Program management stakeholders focus on generating value for the organization by aligning program outcomes with organizational strategies. Let's understand the importance of the benefits management process in detail. An organization and its stakeholders realize benefits through a successful business outcome. Some benefits, such as increased revenue, cost savings, or the creation of a needed product or service, are quantifiable. Intangible benefits, such as improved employee morale, heightened customer satisfaction, or potential productivity increases, are not quantifiable. Implementing the benefits management process has a positive impact on all stakeholders, including program sponsors, program managers, project teams, and the program steering committee. The benefits management process allows you to realize benefits through your business activities. As a program manager, you can get positive results from the benefits management process by recognizing the critical factors that impact its performance. Let's review these critical factors. To get maximum value from the benefits management process, you must ensure that program outcomes align with the strategic objectives and organizational goals. This helps stakeholders understand how the program contributes to broader organizational success. The benefits management process must span the entire program lifecycle, from program definition through closure. You must identify, plan, deliver, and measure benefits to ensure they are realized and sustained. You must engage with the stakeholders throughout the benefits management process and ensure they understand and support the process. You must measure, evaluate, and track the benefits over time. This will involve defining metrics, establishing baselines, and monitoring progress to ensure benefits realization continues post-program. You must incorporate risk and issue management processes to mitigate potential obstacles that could impact benefits realization. You must use communications and reporting mechanisms to keep stakeholders informed about benefits progress, challenges, and adjustments made to the benefits management strategy. Finally, you must include mechanisms for continuous improvement and capture lessons learned to apply to future programs. Benefits management is a 5-step process. Stakeholders must understand and support this process to ensure the success of the overall portfolio, supporting programs, and essential projects and components. Let's review all 5 steps of this process in detail. Benefits identification, benefits analysis and planning, benefits delivery, benefits transition, benefits sustainment. Benefits identification recognizes and defines specific benefits expected from the program. As a program manager, you will be able to achieve benefits by implementing the strategic initiatives documented in the program business cases or program charters created to formally approve programs. In this step, all stakeholders must be engaged to determine and document the intended benefits. Additionally, a benefits register must be developed to collect and list the planned benefits for the program. The benefits analysis and planning step analyzes and prioritizes identified benefits to ensure they are feasible and aligned with organizational goals. In this step, program managers develop metrics to measure and provide a quantifiable means for identifying and tracking expected benefits. Program managers develop a benefits management plan during this step that formally documents the activities necessary to achieve a program's planned benefits. In the benefits delivery step, the program manager executes the activities identified for achieving benefits. The key activities during this step include monitoring the organizational environment, program objectives, and benefits realization, initiating, performing, transitioning, and closing component, evaluating opportunities and threats affecting benefits, evaluating key performance indicators, KPI, Recording program progress in the benefits register. In the benefits transition step, program managers prepare for the transfer of benefits ownership from the program to the operational environment. Benefits transition ensures the scope of transition is defined and stakeholders in receiving organizations or functions are identified. Further, stakeholders participate in benefit planning, program benefits are measured, and transition is executed. The specific activities in this step include verifying the integration, transition, and closure of the program and its components, developing a transition plan to facilitate the ongoing realization of benefits after switching to impacted operational areas. Benefits sustainment is the final step of the benefits management process. Program managers use this step to ensure that stakeholders will continue to realize benefits from the program after it concludes. The benefits sustainment step helps implement governance mechanisms to sustain benefits and address any issues or changes in organizational needs. The key activities of this include monitoring the performance of benefits with impacted stakeholders, addressing issues that impact sustained benefits realization, documenting and sharing the lessons learned with all program management stakeholders, developing and monitoring incremental benefits from the program. In this video, you learned that the benefits management process is a structured program management approach to ensure program anticipated benefits are identified, planned for, delivered, transitioned, and sustained effectively. You also learned about the critical factors that impact its performance. The 5 steps of the benefits management process comprise benefits identification, benefits analysis and planning, benefits delivery, benefits transition, benefits sustainment,